One of the things that's been so great about the elective is provided in-depth different knowledge.
I definitely have a better idea of what's happening in the different programs. I feel very inspired by a lot of my peers.
So at HDK-Valand, our master's students get to do an elective course in connection with their core program, but also something that sits a little bit outside of it. My name is Ram Krishna Ranjan. I'm a lecturer in film, and I'm also the program director for MFA in film at HDK-Valand.
I chose the ecology and artistic practices because I was looking for a way to deepen my understanding about ecology-related topics. My name is Kata Videg. I'm from Hungary, and I study embedded design.
I had an idea that I wanted to pursue, like when I came to the school, and it was around kind of ecological photography practices. My name's Sam McCarthy. I'm from South Wales in the UK, and I'm studying the photography masters at HDK-Valand. I'm very interested in how to create or use analog photography in a vegan way. And being at the school and kind of working in collaboration with other people who have different knowledge in other areas, it's allowed me to explore this field and really kind of pursue it as like artistic research, which has been amazing for me.
It brings together people from different programs in one room, and it generates interdisciplinary dialogue, which is really, really important. And this is also a place where people can try new things, explore new ideas, explore new thematics, engage in hands-on workshop. So it's really a very, very interesting setup for the students to do some amazing work and expand their thinking around artistic practice.
That was my favorite part, to work with others from other programs. And I feel like I learned a lot from them. And it's just great to see how someone from photography or jewelry or ceramics engages with post-humanism or degrowth or any of the ecological topics. And it made me more curious to try other mediums too.